Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Rory. If you've never been to this channel, I run this channel, Mr. Rosa. But today is day 3 of becoming an artist in 30 days. So today in this video it's going to be slightly different than we've done before. Today we're going to be doing 2 designs and trying to put them into one, like, art, what would you call it? On one canvas. So yeah, it's going to be slightly more challenging to try and make them fit together, but let's see how it goes. But before we get into it, remember, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification on. It would mean the world to me. These videos take a lot to make for me, and all it takes is for you to hit that subscribe button. So let's get into it. Okay, so I finished the initial sketch and this is how it turned out. Yeah, I mean, it's not my best one I've done. I think my day 2 drawing was a lot better, but let's see what we can do with the fine liner and see if we can fix this up a bit, because I don't like the way I've tried to add it in here. So yeah, let's see what we can do.
As we dance, as we dance, as we dance, as we dance.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like at the moment, and I mean, what can I say? I've gone over the lines a bit there, and I'm really not happy with this, so I've thought of no better way to fix this. Okay, let me just put my camera down to show you. Okay, so this is it. So I think I know how I need to fix this. Okay, so I know that's for some of you not what you wanted to see, but sometimes it just doesn't go your way. You may not be feeling it that day, or the design you've chosen to draw isn't what you're good at. But yeah, if you did enjoy, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notified for when I next upload, and day 4, which will be coming in the upcoming days. So yeah, until next time, goodbye.